Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day.
So on the old design we used both bolts, but we didn't even use this bottom bolt. So we're going to keep this top bolt and the clip behind. These, we went ahead and we grinded all the plastic down all the way around. We drilled holes all the way through with our Dremel. That way when we go ahead and do our DuraGlass, everything will stick in here really nice. Adhesion is everything, people. If you do not sand, if you do not drill these holes, it will not stick. Because once this thing starts flexing, it won't stick to plastic. Plastic is probably the hardest thing to get everything to stick to. Typically we'll fill this gap right here and the other side gap here with spray foam. Right now I don't have time for that to set up, so we are going to take small wooden pieces. You can use popsicle sticks, you can use toothpicks, and we're just going to go around and put wooden pieces in and then DuraGlass from there. I don't have time to wait for the spray foam to set up. I gotta get this done immediately. So we took these and we just cut them into little different sizes. And then we got two over here, basically just these hardwood biscuits. Just makes it super easy, just be able to cut them whatever sizes you need, and we're gonna glue them in here. Just fast, easy, you know, the spray foam just takes too much time. This way we can make it and it'll be stronger.
Got everything grinded here and holes drilled as well. We used 1/2-inch pieces right here to attach. I'm also going to get some little 1/2-inch pieces to go all the way around on both these sides here. Then we're going to start duraglassing. Ton of work just to get it to this point.
Tape in there because the levels of this is not the same as these. So we just put tape in there, tape in here, and then we're going to go ahead and start duraglassing everything. Duraglass stage. Got a little bit more to do, a little more Bondo, but son of bodywork.